Turn your $500 into a profitable business. Top hustles for Zimbabweans in 2026. Are you sitting on $500 and wondering how to make it grow in the current Zimbabwean economy? You're not alone. Whether you're a graduate looking for your first break or a hustler wanting to diversify your income, $500 approximately 6,300 ZiG is a powerful seed if planted in the right soil. At Chero TV, we believe in empowering local entrepreneurs with practical, feet on the ground, advice. Here are 5 business ideas you can start today with $500 or less. 1. Poultry farming, broilers or layers. Agriculture remains the backbone of our economy. With $500, you can start a small-scale poultry project in your backyard. The math: $500 can cover a batch of 100-day-old chicks, high-quality feed, like Profeeds, and basic vaccines. The profit: in 6 weeks, you can sell broilers for a healthy margin, especially to local tuck shops, restaurants, or individual households. Pro tip: focus on roadrunners, free-range chickens, if you want lower feed costs and a premium market price. 2. LPG gas refilling and distribution. With the ongoing energy shifts, liquid petroleum gas (LPG) has become a household essential in urban areas like Harare and Bulawayo. The setup: use your capital to purchase a few 9 kg, 19 kg cylinders and a scale. You can partner with a larger wholesaler to refill and then sell to your neighborhood. Why it works: it's a recurring need. People might skip a luxury, but they always need to cook. 3. Mabhero, high-grade second-hand clothing. The thrift culture in Zimbabwe is booming. Consumers are looking for unique, high-quality fashion without the boutique price tag. The strategy: use your $500 to buy a premium bell of children's clothes, latest tops, or official wear. The edge: don't just sell from a sack. Take high-quality photos, use WhatsApp status and Instagram, and offer doorstep delivery to add value. 4. Solar gadgets and installation services. Power outages mean Zimbabweans are always looking for light. The inventory: stock up on solar lanterns, portable power banks, and small solar home kits. The skill: if you are handy, spend a portion of your budget on a basic toolkit and offer installation services for small household solar setups. 5. Cleaning and laundry services. Many busy professionals in the city have the money but not the time. The low cost: you don't need a fancy office. $500 can buy a professional-grade vacuum cleaner, high-quality detergents, and basic branding aprons and flyers. The niche: offer specialized, deep cleaning, for sofas or carpets, or a mobile laundry service where you pick up, wash, iron, and drop off. Final thoughts: start small, think big. The secret to succeeding in Zimbabwe is consistency and customer service. Your $500 won't turn into $5,000 overnight, but with discipline, it can be the foundation of an empire. Which of these ideas sparks your interest? Let us know in the comments. #Chero TV, #ZimBusiness, #HustleZimbabwe, #Entrepreneurs Zim, #SmallBusinessIdeas, #ZimEconomy 2026, #Invest in Zim, #MakeMoneyZim.